Few days back, two amazing persons, John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton, got the Nobel Prize in Physics 2024. They have jointly shared this prestigious award for their amazing contribution in the field of artificial intelligence, specifically for their work on artificial neural network they started back in late 1970s and early 1980s. Wait, artificial intelligence is this much old? I was thinking like 2-3 year old. But you know what? When you were not aware of the word artificial intelligence, we were using the artificial intelligence back in 2010-2015 also. So yes, artificial intelligence is this much old. But after getting this prestigious award, Geoffrey Hinton gave a controversial statement. He said that I'm so proud of all my students for their great work, but I'm particularly proud of the fact that one of my students, Elia Sutskever, fired Sam Altman. Yes, the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, the person who created the ChatGPT, the Sam Altman. In November 2023, Sam Altman was fired from his own company, OpenAI. Yes, he get back quickly, but that incident happened because of Elia Sutskever, the student of Geoffrey Hinton. But why Hinton's statement is so important apart from he's getting the Nobel Prize? Because Hinton is the world's most renowned researchers in the field of artificial intelligence. We consider him as the godfather of AI. Yes, in the last video I talked about Fifi Lee, the godmother of AI. He is the godfather of AI. They are not at all related.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Bad joke. Okay, let's get back to Hinton. After completing his PhD in the field of artificial intelligence in 1978, he started to co-create a backpropagation algorithm, a method that allowed neural network to learn from its own mistake, which is actually transforming how we train AI model nowadays. Then in 2013, Google acquired a company called DNN Research. This company owned by Hinton. And that's how Hinton started to work for Google until last year, when he just refused to work for Google in the concern of spreading misinformation about the role of AI. And then he started teaching, become a professor at the University of Toronto. That means combining all of these things, if Hinton is saying anything about artificial intelligence, his statement really matters. And if he is saying something about Sam Altman, we need to give it second thought. Hinton also talked about the OpenAI's initial mission and said, OpenAI was set up with a big emphasis on safety. The initial mission of OpenAI was to develop an artificial general intelligence and ensure it is safe. But now, Sam Altman's priority is shifted. He is more focused on profit rather than safety, and according to him, that's unfortunate. And you know why Hinton left Google's AI research team? So that he can freely talk about the risk associated with the developing AI too quickly. You should not just focus on developing a technology, you should also focus on its safety. The risk associated with it, you should be aware of it. If a person who is getting Nobel Prize in a field talking about a person like Sam Altman who is doing something wrong, there is some fire. That's why he is talking about it. There is some safety problem in the current AI ecosystem. That's why he is talking about. So that means we need to give a second thought to his statement. But what do you think, guys? What do you think? Sam Altman is doing right or wrong? What do you think? We need to more focus on the safety of AI rather than using the AI? And these are questions which are initially really important so that we develop a technology which is trustable and which we can use without a second thought. Now, if you know any video which is contradictory to this video or the statement of Hinton, just share below and I'm ready to talk about it. We can have a discussion on LinkedIn or Twitter. Just follow me and ping me if you want to discuss anything related to this video or artificial intelligence. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.